We got a 2025 Chevy Traverse remote key fob. This is how you replace the remote battery. So if we look on the left side here, there's a button down here towards the bottom. We're going to press and hold with our thumb, and then we're going to pull out this emergency key. It unlocks the emergency key, and we're going to remove it. That's going to allow us to get a small flathead screwdriver and put it in the slot that we have right here, and we're going to pry up on this back panel using this slot here, okay, like this. And we can take that off. That exposes the battery, and we can just pry it out just like this. Battery size is a CR2450. If you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a Panasonic battery just like the factory one. A link down there in the description box, so check that out. It takes you to Amazon. They're really cheap there, so if you get a chance to look at that, go ahead. And you just place the new one in there, put the bottom in first, just like that, and you get the cover. And you just snap it back on, put the emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could.